Hello, Stephen Nelson here, doing my Unit 3 weather observation. Been a busy week for me. I moved from Dillingham to Kenai, Alaska. Flew out on Monday and stayed in Anchorage for a few days, waiting for supplies from Dillingham to fly in to Anchorage. Because of high winds in Dillingham, they weren't able to load our Jeep up until Wednesday. So started my official observation on Wednesday in Anchorage. In Anchorage, and for the next couple of days in Kenai, as have been generally clear skies with little to no wind, with very high pressure and colder temperatures. Not nearly as cold as the interior there. Been generally single digits to mid teens on the temperature. So, anyways, as you can see with my graph, pretty extreme temperature deviations from just the weather observations and the minimums to the maximum temperatures. That's because I haven't had a permanent station to make my observations, so I've been taking my thermometer with me and keeping it indoors for much of the time. So my maximum temperatures have been right up there around room temperature, and the minimums have been very close to observation temperatures, because that's generally the only time they've been outdoors. I'm hoping to set up a more permanent base here within the next day or two and have more accurate readings next time. But as I said before, been fairly chilly, clear skies, little to no wind on the Beaufort scale. Say about a 0 for much of the time, occasionally up to a 1 with just a light breeze. Not really enough to stir any snow or leaves in the air. So for my observation, pressure is generally started up at the top, except for my first observation in Anchorage, seemed a bit lower, although I believe it was climbing, and then kind of peaked on my Thursday observation in Kenai, and it's been trending downwards, and really kind of rapidly descending now. I expect to see probably some moisture, some more clouds and possibly wind, and maybe precip come along with the lower pressures. But we'll wait and see. Thank you for listening to my screencast.